made himself very clear. In pursuit of your lawful duties within the laws of the land, if you get in trouble and you are taken to court, the state will provide a state counsel to defend you. So just work within the law and in accordance with the law. Take time again to refresh yourselves on the various laws that govern your work. The Penal Code, Cap 63, nenda usome. The Criminal Procedure Code, Cap 75, kwenda usome. The Evidence Act, Cap 80, kwenda usome. And then the Constitution of Kenya. With those 4 documents, the Attorney General of the Republic of Kenya will allocate a state counsel and to defend you in all stages of the criminal justice system. But acquaint yourself with these 4 laws so that you are on the right side of the law. Again, KRI has spoken very well. RISPA, we have asked you with Moses Kuria. From here, proceed to Naivasha. Go and sit down with the finance committee chaired by KK. We'll call him. He'll have instructions. We'll agree. Recommend immediately for inclusion in the finance bill all the measures you think will help to deal with ethanol and to deal with the second generation alcohol. And we'll persuade Parliament to pass the amendments because all members of the National Assembly are on board. You have heard the way Rendekire is speaking here with a lot of pain. All of us here have lost people. I lost 2 brothers to alcohol. Hakuna mtu hajaumia. So there is nobody who is not a player in this thing. So go and do those ones and then we'll be fine. RISPA again, if you find officers escorting contraband goods, look for Professor Kindiki, look for Molo. If you can't get the 2, mostly Kindiki in the West Pokot in other areas, tafuta Omolo huyu, ukimukosa unetafute. Our officers tutabidana na hawa, pambana na hawa. Please, never suffer in silence again. If you hear officers are escorting, atu wengine mbele wengine nyuma, tafuta sisi watatu. Please. Again, you have said 6237 are non-compliant. I have called a meeting. We have agreed with the professor on Wednesday morning.